Hello everyone, I am the Managing Director and founder of Enhanced Waste Recycle Private Limited Company. We developed the technology which is able to transform any kind of MSW waste, that is municipal solid waste. It's able to transform landfill waste, RDF, municipal solid waste and other forms of like bioplant waste. This technology is able to solve the problem of entire world that are facing lot of challenges processing this waste. There is some technology which are doing very good job, but the result is not that we are admiring and we are thinking that we can get it. It's like we are solving the problem, but simultaneously we are creating also lots of problems. Through incineration we can process more than 100 tons of waste in single day, but the problem is when you use incineration there is a lot of fly ash and residue that you have to handle, and all the time you have to feed fuel to generate the electricity from the waste. Now we are producing and presenting the technology which is able to do all these things without any problem and without generating any kind of pollution. Let's have a look. Now I am going to show you the gas using. This gas is directly producing from the municipal solid waste. Now come with me, we are showing you how we are doing all these things. The first step we have to shred the material. When we shred all this material, it comes in this type. You think this is the dry material, but that to proof of this technology that this is able to transform mixed waste and not need to dry, we are going to add 30% of moisture in it lively. Sir, please. इधर वेट करो, प्लीज मेक वेट किमें करना है, पानी को होल्ड पे कर लो. To the proof of this technology is able to transform, there is no need to dry the material. We are adding the material. We are adding moisture, 30% moisture to this material. But the weight of this crate is 2.5 kg. Now we are going to add 3 liters of water. Once I add,
एक लीटर है ये
1 liter water in this cup. Now we add this material, this whole material directly. As we say, we accept 30% minimum moisture or maximum moisture. There is no problem. We add this sulfur, this and one more. Other technologies are not able to transform this waste in any usable material. Now feed that material in our machine. We are also adding lot more water in it, so that completely. In other technology, you are not able to do all these things. This kind of practice is not permitted in other technologies, but we are doing. The wet material is going into our machine. That is completely easy for this technology. But this technology is doing two systems. One is batch and one is produce. Feeding is always into batch system, and processing is always into continuous system. That's totally. This is the panel house, and this is the reactor track. This is the whole reactor, and you can see all these things is in a covered shed. There is no air pollution. This technology is only technology in the world. There is no any kind of chimney, smoke or any dirt that is producing this machine. We are not using any kind of headphone or mic to explain this machine, this technology. It is completely silent and pollution free. We are now you can check this material. It is completely solid waste converted into charcoal. That charcoal is used to electricity production through thermal plant and other industries that are using coal to produce energy, or you can say heat. And one more product is produced from that waste, directly converted into syngas, and syngas now burning. Now we are showing you the problem solving solution that we show, and also one more thing, that this gas is directly converted into electricity. It means waste converted into gas, gas is converted into electricity directly. Now you can check, my sound will be slower than